And then we distribute our t there. We would get minus 1 over 3 times t and minus 2 over 9 times dt. dt is equal to dt mean dt by dt is equal to 1. So we would get minus 1 over 12 minus 1 over 3 times t and then minus 2 over 9. When you see the term of minus 2 over 9, you know that you can combine this term and this term together, right? Which is 36 minus 3 minus 8 minus 1 over 3 times t, which is equal to minus 11 divided by 36 minus 1 over 3 t. That is our xp. After we getting our xp, that means we know our x, right? Because our x is combined with xp and xp. We know that our x is equal to c1 times exponential of minus 3 times t plus c2 times the exponential of t. And then our xp is equal to minus 11 divided by 36 minus 1 over 3 times t. That is our x. Now we are going to find y. Right? You know x, then you got to find y. Again, with y, then you got to use the Kramer rule, okay, to find y. You do determinant, okay, and then you just put the coefficient of x. And for the coefficient of y, you just replace it with the coefficient of the number which is on the right side of your differential equation. For the dividing term, it's just the same as x, right? So actually you write down and then you just copy whatever you do from x here. So which is equal to 1 over 8d squared plus 16d minus 24. We don't need to do it again, but on the top you got to do it again. 2d minus 3 times 2 minus 2d plus 3 times t. Then we would get 1 over 8d squared plus 16d minus 24. And then on the top we would get 2d times 2 equal to 2d2 minus 6 minus 2dt minus 3t. Two d2 equal to 0. Yeah. Minus 6. 2dt equal to 2. So minus 2 minus 3t. So we would get 1 over 8d squared plus 16d minus 24 minus 8 minus 3t. It's become a second order differential equation again, right? So now your y is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So if you get it, it just would go to the same idea as the x that I used to write down for you, right? So now it just become a second order linear differential equation, and this is a non-homogeneous differential equation. So in that case, your y is just composed of two terms, which is yc and yp. To find yc, you got to find the answer from characteristic equation, or you can write this equation down in the term of differential equation, and then you would know the form of homogeneous differential equation, right? 8m squared plus 16m minus 24 equal to 0. Take 8 out, so you would get m squared plus 2m minus 3 equals 0. So m is minus 3 and plus 1 again. So now our yc is equal to c1 times exponential of minus 3t plus c2 times exponential of t. Next, find yp. Again, I'm going to use shortcut method. And for shortcut, we write down the term of 1 over pd times ft. Just do the same as the previous one. The first term is our second case of shortcut method. Our a is equal to 0. You just put 0 in every term of t there. Okay, so we would get minus 3 again. Minus and minus become plus, so we got 1 over 3. This one, we did it already. We know that in order to find our 1 over pd in the term of b0 plus b1t, it is exactly the same as the one when we find the x. So you don't need to do dividing here for me again. You just take this one and use it, because it's the same function. So you would get minus 1 over 3 minus 2 over 9d plus something and times t. But the reason why I put plus, because I know that it's not n yet. But I won't write it down because I know that after I just distribute the t term in there, the rest of the term after the plus side there, they are equal to 0. One over 12 times dt. dt is equal to 1, right? dt is equal to 1. So we would get 1 over 3 plus 1 over 8 t and plus 1 over 12. Okay, that is our yp. Then we say that y is equal to yc plus yp, which is equal to c1 times the exponential of minus 3t plus c2 times exponential of t. Now our yp is equal to 5 over 12 plus 1 over 8 times t. That is our y. And that or the way to find the answer of x and y in our linear system.